I want to talk to you about the very survival of your business, or if you haven't started the business yet, the survival of your future business. So, if you have an online business or you're using the internet or social media, you have to listen because the rules have changed in the last 12 months. I'm Clark Hanna, and I've spent the last 3 years teaching entrepreneurs how to launch their products. And I've got hundreds of clients, and they've done literally millions of dollars in launches. My clients are doing pretty much every kind of business in every kind of market you could imagine, every kind of product you can imagine, from dog training to mixed martial arts to health food, learning guitar, and yes, even water ballet. Many of them have started small and progressively built their launch after launch and built their positioning, built their momentum, and built their expert status in the market. Now you can step into your destiny and become an authority in your market as a leader and a producer of your own products. Let me show you a simple step-by-step formula to create and launch your first product in 2 weeks. I want to show you what's working so you can have a great launch. And not just one great launch, but then you can stack the launches on top of each other so you go from one to the next and you continually build more momentum. You're continually building your results so that you can build a great business. So you can build a real business, a business that gives you the income, the lifestyle, and the impact that you want and that you deserve.